Oh no. The screen is black. It doesn't work. Come on, start. Please, start. Nothing. No music, no messages. Oh, this is so bad. Still no power. The phone is dead. Morning, Emma. Why do you look so stressed? Hi, Anna. My phone is broken. Don't worry, Emma. I can help. Look, the screen is black. It won't turn on. I see. Does it feel charged? I think so. Maybe try holding down the button for a few seconds. Oh, that's sad. Did you charge it? Yes, I tried. No light, no sound. Nothing. Maybe the battery is broken. Without my phone, I feel lost. I can't play music. I can't check messages. I can't even see the time. Don't panic. Let's take it to the repair shop. Maybe they can fix it. The repair shop? Where? On Green Street, near the cafe. We can walk there. Okay. I have no choice. Let's go. Without my phone, I feel nervous. I can't check the time. I can't listen to music. Don't worry. Look around. The morning is beautiful. Up is better. Yes, better. The birds sing. The air feels fresh. I like this. Yes, listen carefully. This is the real world. Maybe this walk is not so bad. See? Without a phone, you can still enjoy life. Maybe I can. Maybe I can enjoy more. The smell of coffee. Strong and sweet. Yes, fresh coffee. Do you want to stop? Without my phone, I can't pay online. Don't worry, I have cash. Oh, thank you. Let's sit for a moment. Wow, it looks hot. The steam goes up. Careful, it's hot and strong. Oh, good. Bitter but also smooth. Yes, bitter and smooth. Coffee gives energy. Usually, I drink coffee at home, with my phone in hand. Now it feels different. Different is good sometimes. I can see people here, talking, laughing. It feels alive. Exactly. People, not screens. Oh, look at the flowers! Red, yellow, pink. So bright. Yes, the flower shop is beautiful. Wow, I never noticed this shop before. Because you always look at your phone. True. Now I see more colors. So many colors. Colors make life rich. Yes, rich and bright. The water is so clear. The sound is soft. Yes, splash, splash, splash. Oh, the children are so happy. They laugh so much. Simple things make them happy. Maybe I can learn from them. To enjoy small things. Yes. Small things, big joy.